Hey everyone! Today, we're going to be riding the Web Adventures attraction at Universal Studios Roblox. So let's go!
Hello, Roger. Over. Is this thing on? Listen, crime reports are coming in from all over the city, and I'm starting to get worried. Do you see that? It's a signal. That means trouble can't be far away. And you know what trouble means. Headlines, national coverage. So don't screw this up. Good luck.
Man, you shouldn't be out here. Doc on the loose, this could be the most dangerous night of my life. And yours. Be careful. Nice shades.
Was that the Spider Kid? That no good, wearing red freak?
Everything's going just as planned.
Excellent. And with my anti-gravity cannon, even that spider freak won't be able to stop me.
You mean stop us?
Yeah, of course.
Hey, what's going on?
What was that? Intruders! If you think you're getting out of here, then you're in for a shock!
Back off, they're mine.
You miss! Blast them again!
Again?
So much for being careful. Just get back to the office and... Uh-oh. Incoming!
Now, things are just starting to heat up.
Trick or treat, smell my feet, time to throw you off the streets.
Look out!
There you are!
No, you don't!
Not my beautiful scoop!
Wow, that was close. Whoa! Doc, your aim's worse than your haircut. Ugh!
Well, it's good enough for you sitting duck friends. Have a nice trip.
Hey, wait for me! You're not insured for this! Hang on! I'm webbing you down from here! Ugh!
You punks have shot something up there!
We're changing.
Yes, No! Guess that wraps things up. You guys did all right, but don't give up your day job. Say cheese! See you later.
Congratulations, you're heroes. I do it all the time.
Alright everyone, that's gonna do it for this video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for new videos. And I'll see you next time. Peace out, everybody.